Hello, my name is Gautam, and I have started working on this project by Harvard CS50. And this is my web development course, Project Zero. And here, let's quickly look at the requirements and see if we have met all the requirements. I'll do it as quickly as possible. And we have the requirements right here. So, the first requirement is to use 4 different HTML pages. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 different HTML pages, and they should all be able to you should be able to navigate through each other through links. And I have used a nav bar right here to navigate through each of the links within them. So yeah, that's happening. And the next requirement would be to the website must include at least one ordered list and an unordered list, and we have right here in music.html. So there is an unordered list which contains there is an ordered list, and an unordered list is a part of the ordered list again. Let me show you that quickly. It's music.html, and we have an ordered list right here, and there is an unordered list right here. Again, I have used SCSS nesting. You can see I have nested, and I was able to give the unordered list a red color. Unfortunately, I think it's because I'm using a link. The fonts themselves aren't in red color because I think that's because I'm using a link rather than a text. But you can see that the red color did work, and I have also used inheritance, and this inheritance is seen right here. Navbrand.custom contains font family properties and the color property, and I have inherited the navbrand. This is the navbar brand. I have inherited these properties, and I have given it to the music h1 tag right here. So we can see that works, and you can also see that I have included SCSS, which is one of the requirement. And the next requirement is to use a media query. So we have the media query at 600 pixels max width. The background color should change. So this is still above 600 pixels. Let me show you quickly. Oh, come on. All right, so the body color is the same, but when we go 600 and below, the body color changes. So that meets one of the requirements. And let's look at some other requirements. Again, using Bootstrap is one of the requirements. So we can clearly see that I have used Bootstrap. There's a lot of Bootstrap over here, and I have used a table, which is also one of the requirement. And I have used SCSS variables right here, violet, which represents the color, and it is given to the body. So SCSS variable is over here, and what else? The grid. I'll show you the grid. The grid is right here in gallery. I have also included it in the brackets, so it would be easier. If you go to the gallery, you can see Bootstrap grid used here, and it's also quite responsive. So it is one row, but when the pixels reduce, the single row kind of falls down, breaks into 2 different rows, one big picture and 2 smaller pictures. And this big picture, I have used a little margin top property over here, and I've used the ID. So you can see ID over here, big picture, and the smaller 2 pictures. So yeah, big picture, there is one ID over here which is a requirement, and there is quite few classes over here, which is another requirement. So that requirement is met again. And let's see if there is any other requirements that I have left. CSS variable, nesting, classes, unordered list, hyperlinks. I think I met all the requirements. Again, you can see that the remote, there's a little printing mistake over here. It is supposed to be origin, but instead hit A. So it is present right here at github.com. /me/water portal. This right here is the project, and the project files are all within here. And you can see I have also used the readme file in here. There's a little description about the project. So that's about the project. Thank you so much, folks.